What's up, guys? This is the Real Creofus. I'm coming to you from a new location. You'll notice the background's a little bit different, but content's going to be the same good stuff for you. I have a new product that I want to talk to you guys about. It's called Fire Dragon Green and Solid Fuel. This stuff is very similar to starter cubes. It's very similar to some of the other methods that we use to light our chimney. You guys know I'm a big fan of the chimney, but the big difference between this is a clean burning fuel. It's essentially solid alcohol, and I'm gonna light it up here for you in just a little bit. When I start my cooking, I'm gonna make some steaks here tonight. I love to use the chimney, as you are well aware of, and of course I'm gonna be putting them in the big Primo Oval XL grill, cooker, smoker, oven, whatever you want it to be. This thing can be it. So take a look at this flame, and I want you guys to see just how well this lights up. Okay guys, so I just took this out of the package not too long ago, and essentially this thing smells just like hand sanitizer. So think solid hand sanitizer. You can literally wipe it all over your hands, and it's supposed to be a very clean burning fuel. But watch what happens when I touch a flame to it. Take a look at that. You get a nice tall flame. Look at that. That's a good 6 to 10 inches high. So, and the smell is just fine. Again, it smells like hand sanitizer, and I suspect there's something very similar as far as a solid alcohol type thing. And this is apparently intended for troops or people who have to eat in a confined space, and they're supposed to be able to cook this and it not give off any noxious fumes. So I'm going to use this to light my chimney, and I'm going to be making steaks for dinner. But stay tuned, make sure to like, subscribe to the video. Also, I want to do a giveaway, so please comment down below what sort of things you guys are interested in. They're probably going to be grill related. Maybe we'll give away a chimney, something along those lines. So in order to give me your feedback, comment in the sections below, and we'll try and get a giveaway going here real soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.